Hello, I'm Kirti, a delivery practice manager with AWS Professional Services. Today, I'm going to show you how to launch an Amazon Redshift cluster in a specific Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. Let's get started. You might not be able to select and access your VPC for the following reasons. The Amazon VPC doesn't exist in the same AWS region where you're trying to create your Amazon Redshift cluster in. The VPC isn't associated with a cluster subnet group. Let's see how to launch an Amazon Redshift cluster in a VPC. Log into the AWS Management Console and select the desired region. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. Create a VPC by choosing the Create VPC button, giving it a name, and specifying its IP address range, insider notation. Create subnets within the VPC for better organization and security by choosing the Create Subnet button and providing a name and IP address range, again insider notation. To create an Amazon Redshift cluster, navigate to the Amazon Redshift console. In the Amazon Redshift dashboard, choose Create Cluster and toggle the Use Default switch. In the Network and Security section, select the VPC that you created earlier. If it's not in the drop-down list, go back to the Configuration section on the Amazon Redshift dashboard. Then create a subnet group with the subnets of the VPC by choosing Create Subnet Group. Fill in the necessary information for the subnet group. Select the desired subnets from the VPC and then create the cluster subnet group. Go back to the Amazon Redshift dashboard and choose Create Cluster again. This time, your VPC is listed in the drop-down list under Network and Security. And now you know how to launch an Amazon Redshift cluster in a specific Amazon VPC. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.